In this example, we want to differentiate f of x, and f of x is a quotient of functions, and both the numerator and denominator are products. So we're going to have a quotient rule where the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom are going to involve product rules. Now it gives us a hint that we might want to take logs on both sides. So if we just start with our f of x and take natural logs on both sides, we get natural log of f of x is equal to natural log of sine of x cosine of x over x squared e to the x. Now initially that doesn't look like it's simpler, but if we use our rules of logarithms, we'll see that this is log of sine of x plus log of cosine of x minus log of x squared minus log of e to the x. And so by taking logs, we've got rid of the product rule piece and the quotient rule piece. Now we do have some chain rules here, but those are pretty easy. We can simplify a little bit more. This log of x squared, the 2 can come in front, and log of e to the x can simplify to just be x. So we'll do that little simplification here as well. This is minus 2 log x, and this simplifies to minus x. Okay, now we're in a position to differentiate. Derivative of natural log of x, f of x, is 1 over f of x times the derivative of the inside, which is f prime of x. The derivative of the right side here, derivative of log of sine x, is 1 over sine of x times derivative of sine x, which is cosine x, plus 1 over cosine x, derivative of cosine is negative sine of x. Derivative of 2 log x is 2 over x, and the derivative of negative x is negative 1. All right. So let's do a little cleaning up. I'm going to combine these two fractions. And in fact, I might as well combine this. Let's combine it all into one fraction. And I'm going to move the f of x over here. So that way I solve for f prime of x. So it's f of x times all this stuff here. All right, common denominator here is going to be sine x times cosine x times x. So I need to multiply top and bottom here by x times cosine x. So I end up with x cosine squared x. Here I have to multiply top and bottom by sine x and by x. So I get negative sine squared x times x. Here I get 2 sine x cosine x. And then my 1, I need to multiply top and bottom by x sine of x cosine x. That whole thing is that common denominator of x sine x cosine x. Now, If you want to leave it, if you want to leave the right side in this form, that's perfectly fine. If you want to simplify, again, you could argue that this is not really that much simpler. You could clean it up like that. The piece here that we do want to talk about here is the f of x. Okay, so we plug in f of x from the question. It's sine of x cosine x over x squared e to the x. So we've got an x cosine squared x minus x sine squared x minus 2 sine of x cosine of x minus x sine x cosine x. And it's divided by x sine x cosine x. So where this does get a little bit simpler is that I've got a sine x and a cosine x that can cancel here and here. My x squared times x becomes an x cubed. And so the final answer might be something like x cosine squared x minus x sine squared x minus 2 sine x cosine x minus x sine x cosine x, all divided by x cubed e to the x. And again, we see that the cosine and sine cancel here and here. My x squared and my x come together to give me my x cubed.